Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back with for the channel Fragheads RX, and today I'm joined by Dr. Momani. Yes, Dr. Kais Momani. He's a radiologist resident in St. Luke's Medical Center, and today we're gonna unbox and unpackage this fragrance from the house of Guerlain. It's none other than Guerlain hommeIdealCool. So stay tuned. So guys, we're back, and today we're gonna unbox this hommeIdealCool. This is the latest release from the house of Guerlain. So we're gonna unbox it. So do the honors, Dr. Momani, and unbox that fragrance. It's sealed guys. So this will be the first time that both of us will be smelling this fragrance. And we will try later to compare it to the original. This is the original guys, hommeIdeal by the house of Guerlain. So here's the box here for the presentation. This is the front. It says hommeIdealCool. On the back it has some Arabic text and a QR code, and Guerlain, the perfumer, the house itself. And on the top we can see here the logo, and there the logo, and at the back the batch code and the barcode. And when you open it, there it has the logo of Guerlain there. Okay, there. Okay, so for the bottle itself, it comes in this very typical of the hommeIdeal bottles. It looks like the original hommeIdeal, and in front it says hommeIdealCool. The house itself, Guerlain. The edgings of the bottle is gray, and the cap as well, and the logo here of Guerlain. There, gray. I think it's gray. The juice is green. Maybe this is somehow a green scent, nature scent. And on the bottom we can see here the batch code, and for the cap itself, here the engraving of the Guerlain logo, and a silver sprayer. And for the sprayer, we'll try it now. I will spray this hommeIdealCool here on my left hand. First spray, nothing came out. There. How about you, Dr. Momani? Oh, I can smell it already.
Ang lakas pala.
It's strong. Okay. Oh, it's very different. It's very different from the original hommeIdeal. Also, I spray the original hommeIdeal. Spray as well. Okay, so guys, for the initial spray of the hommeIdealCool, I was immediately reminded of your homme cologne. Yes, it smells pretty similar with your homme cologne because of the fresh citrus, I think lemon vibe that this one projects.
Parang ano lang, no? Kalalabas mo lang ng shower.
Yes,
parang malinis, no?
It's so fresh.
Parang naka-mouthwash.
because of the color of the juice itself as well. Well, this color green juice really portrays what it smells like. It's a fresh scent. Very fresh scent. Like what Dr. Momani said, it's like you just came out of the shower. Yeah, and this really smells like Dior Homme Cologne. How about you?
Oo, mas gusto ko tong yung cool para sa akin, parang mas nakakabata.
So it will make you smell younger.
Oo.
Yes, okay. So, in your opinion, which type of guy do you see wearing this fragrance, hommeIdealCool?
Parang pwede siyang pang everyday din. Tapos
Casual wearing.
Casual wear. Tapos medyo siguro 20 to 40 years old. Ganun siguro.
20 to 40. So, from the teenagers up to those who are working already. So you see this as an everyday scent. Okay.
Pwede.
And which season do you see people should wear this fragrance? Summer. Yeah, I agree. I see this
Ngayon,
as
dapat
a summer. Yes, especially it's so hot here in the Philippines. Even we are approaching the rainy season already. I suggest that you wear this in the summer, like what Dr. Momani has said. Yes. So smelling about 5 minutes already. They are totally different, guys. The hommeIdeal, the original hommeIdeal, and the cool version. They're totally different. This one is a darker scent, more of leathery cherry cherry scent.
Parang pang
Mature.
formal to eh.
Formal.
Oh.
For formal events. While this one, the cool version, is more casual for casual wearing. So how do you see the performance of this fragrance? Do you see this will last long on your skin?
Susubukan. Kasi ngayon malakas eh. Oh.
Well, in my experience, your homme cologne doesn't perform that much on my skin, but I hope this one performs because the L'Homme-Ideal EDT, the EDP, performs long on my skin. It has a really good performance. Well, I hope this one too. Well, the cologne version, this one has a cologne version as well, and the other one, the sport version, which doesn't last long on my skin. So I hope this one lasts long on my skin. So do you see this as a prescription-worthy fragrance?
I guess. Pwede.
In my opinion, if you're not a collector and if you're looking for a signature scent, then I suggest you have this because this one is a very casual scent. But if you're into collecting fragrances, if you have other collections like Dior Homme Cologne or other fresh scents, then I don't recommend you buying this one. But if you're a collector of the L'Homme-Ideal line, then I suggest you get this one.
Tsaka okay siya kung nakuha mo siya sa steel price
For very cheap price.
Naka-sale pala siya dun sa bazaar last time.
Yes, so you got this from the bazaar, the
Oo.
sale. Yes, I suggest you go to the sales of those manufacturers when they have a sale. Buy their fragrances
Kasi
there.
wala silang tester niyan. So parang blind buy lang.
Blind buy. So this is a blind buy.
Hindi ko naman bibilin kung hindi naka-sale.
Yes, we don't buy retail price, guys. We never buy retail price. So, thank you very much, Dr. Momani. Thank you for being here on my channel. Thank you for letting me smell this hommeIdealCool by the House of Guerlain. So, you heard our first impressions, Dr. Momani and I. So, what are your thoughts with regards to this hommeIdealCool? Do you have this already in your collection? What other hommeIdeal fragrances in the hommeIdeal line do you have in your collection? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedsa for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!